Inside the factory, the making of Sting energy drinks. Energy drinks have become a ubiquitous part of modern life, providing that much-needed boost to power through long days and nights. Sting energy drink, a popular choice among the energy drink enthusiasts, is known for its refreshing flavors and revitalizing effect. Ever wondered how these energizing elixirs are crafted in the factory? Join us on a journey behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of Sting energy drink production. 1. Ingredient selection. The process begins with careful selection of high-quality ingredients. Sting energy drinks typically contain carbonated water, sugar, caffeine, taurine, vitamins, and various flavorings. These ingredients are chosen for their ability to provide energy and enhance the drink's taste. 2. Sugar and flavoring. Sugar is a vital component, as it provides the sweet taste and a quick energy boost. Sting energy drinks come in various flavors, from classic to exotic. Natural and artificial flavorings are added to achieve the desired taste profile. 3. Caffeine and taurine. Caffeine and taurine are key ingredients known for their energy-boosting properties. Caffeine provides the stimulating effect, while taurine supports mental alertness and physical performance. 4. Vitamins and minerals. To enhance the drink's nutritional value, vitamins and minerals are often added. Sting energy drinks may contain B vitamins, such as B3, B5, B6, and B12, which are essential for energy metabolism. 5. Mixing and carbonation. The ingredients are mixed to create a homogeneous solution. Carbonation is added to give the drink its characteristic fizz. 6. Quality control. Stringent quality control measures ensure that each batch of Sting energy drink meets the highest standards. Samples are tested for taste, consistency, and safety. 7. Packaging. Once the drink is ready, it's time for packaging. Sting energy drinks are typically filled into aluminum cans or PET bottles, ensuring that the product remains fresh and carbonated. 8. Distribution. The finished products are then distributed to stores, supermarkets, convenience shops, and vending machines around the world, making them readily available to consumers. 9. Enjoying Sting energy. Cracking open a can of Sting energy drink provides an instant boost, thanks to the combined effects of caffeine, taurine, and other energizing ingredients. Whether it's for a pick-me-up during a long day or a pre-workout boost, Sting energy drinks are designed to provide that extra spark of energy. 10. Responsible consumption. While Sting energy drinks offer benefits, it's essential to consume them in moderation. The caffeine content can vary among different flavors and brands, so it's wise to be aware of your caffeine intake to avoid overstimulation. In conclusion, the making of Sting energy drinks involves a precise combination of ingredients to deliver a refreshing and revitalizing experience. From ingredient selection to quality control, each step in the production process is critical to ensuring that every can or bottle of Sting energy drink lives up to its reputation for providing a much-needed energy boost.